दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। In this appeal challenging the view taken by the High Court, we heard Mr. C.U. Singh, learned senior advocate for the appellant and the learned senior advocate for the respondent. In the submission of Mr. Singh, learned senior advocate, the respondent was clearly covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 and subject to the ceiling or limit of rupees 10 lakhs as provided under section 4(3). He submitted that while an employee would be entitled to receive better terms of gratuity under section 4(5) of the Act, such better terms could be claimed only under specific circumstances as set out in the section, that at no stage any claim was raised regarding existence of any award, agreement or contract, nor was there any pleading about the existence of any award, agreement or contract. In response, it was submitted by the learned senior advocate for the respondent that since section 4(5) of the Act has been given overriding effect over other provisions of section 4 as held by the court in Union Bank of India, it would override the provisions of section 3 of the Act, and as such, all that the respondent needed to show was that the appellant had a scheme for its employees and that it did not prescribe any ceiling, and that such a scheme would be protected by this section of the Act. Before we deal with the revival submissions, the effect of various amendments making changes in section 2(e), section 4(2) and section 4(3) of the Act are required to be considered. The Act was enacted in the year 1972 to provide for a scheme for the payment of gratuity to employees engaged in factories, mines, oil fields, plantations, ports, railway companies, shop or other establishments, and for matters connected there with and incidental thereto. Act 35 of 1994 made further amendments and expression not exceeding 2,500 per mensem or such higher amount as the central government may, having regard to the general level of wages by notification, specify occurring in section 2(e) was omitted. The explanation to section 2(e) was also omitted. Consequently, the definition of employee now ceased to have any limit on wages, and all employees who otherwise answer the description in the definition, regardless of wages that they would receive, now stand covered. This Amendment Act also substituted expression 1 lakh in place of the earlier expression 50,000 occurring in that section of the Act. In terms of section 4(1) of the Act, gratuity shall be payable to an employee in the eventualities referred to therein if he had rendered continuous service for not less than 5 years. Explanation to section 4(2) inter alia states that the gratuity shall be payable at the rate of 15 days wages for every completed year of service or part thereof in excess of 6 months. Explanation to this section lays down how the gratuity is to be calculated while the other section stipulates that the amount of gratuity payable to an employee shall not exceed certain limit and thus puts a cap on the amount payable towards gratuity. Section 4(5) then states that nothing in said section shall affect the right of an employee to receive better terms of gratuity under any award or agreement or contract with the employer. For this section of the Act to get attracted, there must be better terms of gratuity available and extendable to an employee under any award or agreement or contract with the employer as against what has been provided for under and in terms of the Act. Thus, the employee cannot be denied right to receive those higher benefits. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से इस मैटर को लिखा होगा। अच्छे अच्छे मैटर्स आपके लिए अरेंज करने की मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। अच्छी जजमेंट्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और जो एग्ज़ाम का लेवल रहेगा वो इससे ईजी ही रहेगा। ये इस तरीके के डिक्टेशंस अगर आप कर लेते हैं तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको एग्ज़ाम में कोई भी दिक्कत आने वाली है। ठीक है दोस्तों, आपसे मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।